Lately, I've been obsessed with a very clean scent, which I've been able to achieve. So, I'm gonna be showing you guys my shower routine for a very clean, fresh scent. Mild, like cucumber scent. You know how cucumber smells? That's exactly how you smell after the shower. So, yeah, let's head straight into the video. So, good morning, guys. This is morning. I think it should be 8 or 7 o'clock in the morning. As you can see by my face, I'm really, really tired. When you want to sleep in but just can't. So, the first thing I start off with is flossing, just to get those probably food particles in between our teeth, debris, all that, the whole dirt in between our teeth. We don't want anything hanging anywhere, to avoid tooth rot and all that nasty stuff. After that, I go in with my Oral-B Pro Health. This helps with, holes in your tooth, yellow tooth, helps to strengthen your tooth to strengthen your gums, doesn't really irritate. So I'm just gonna brush for like 4 minutes. I mean, you should be spending at least 2 to 5 minutes brushing your teeth. And while I'm doing this, I like to check my phone, check my emails, see if there's anything I missed, go online just to catch up with the day. And then I'm gonna, scrape my tongue, to keep it nice and pink. Nobody wants to see a white tongue. Nobody wants to see that. Moving on to coochie care, I'm just taking vinegar water. I came to realize earlier on that vinegar water helps with the body in general, but more with the coochie. It helps to clean that place, keep your pH balanced and all that. And it's best taken early in the morning on an empty stomach. When you've not really had anything to eat, it also boosts your appetite a lot because you're going to be very hungry after drinking this. I kid you not. You eat 10 times more than you usually would. So yeah, this is just me drinking up. And it's time to head straight into the shower. So we're just gonna wait for the water to warm up. And today I don't know what's happening because my shower head was not flowing at its full max. But we move. And I love music a lot. I really, really love music. And I like to have music, especially when I'm having a shower or washing or, doing something that I just want to wind down and relax or might take me a while. So today I just want to go for a calming, vibe, calm song. And this song by Thames really does it. It's not too harsh, just very, very calming. And I really like it. So yeah, with that, let's head straight to the shower.
This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen.
So the first thing I like to start off with is my bar soap. I'm using the Dudu Ocean today. Anybody that knows the soap, the original of it is very, very nice. And it helps to clear dark spots, give you a very clean scent. Guys, I mean, when you use the soap, you're going to be smelling really, really clean. And another thing I love about it is that it lathers a lot. Like, I feel that if soap hasn't lathered well enough, I'm not having a good shower. So this soap lathers a lot and it leaves you feeling squeaky clean. I'm just getting everywhere all over my body, in between my toes. Guys, don't forget your toes. Toes are one place that people neglect a lot and can smell a lot too. So don't forget that. So I'm just rinsing off quickly, especially when having your shower, you want to rinse off the previous product completely before going in with the next one. So I'm going with my lemon sugar face and body scrub from Careline Naturals. This is a very abrasive scrub, like the particles are really harsh. So I just use a bit and I go really gently all over my skin, This helps to really, really exfoliate. I usually do this when I want to shave, but normally I do this 2 to 3 times a week. So moving on to my feet exfoliant feet scrubber. I don't know. I usually use this for under my foot, especially when I'm exfoliating, so that the scrub could help me, to really buff off those dead skin at the edge of my feet. And then I go in with my exfoliating gloves. I like to use this for like extreme exfoliation. On normal days when I don't feel like doing too much, I just, use my hand and I'm good to go. But today I wanted to be extra clean, guys. I do want to feel any sort of way on my skin apart from shiny and squeaky. So I'm just going in with this on the body scrub and really taking my time, in going in circular motions. And guys, gently, guys, because this my body scrub is really harsh. But in general, apart from body scrubs, whenever you're using exfoliating gloves, you want to go very gently because it's harsh enough as it is. But paired with a body scrub, you might actually do your skin some damage if you go really harsh on your skin. So today I'm shaving my underarms and I'm going with my Lakura shave gel. It's mostly for men, but I bought it because it helps avoid bumps and cuts on my armpits and also down there when I want to shave. But I don't get it inside there, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going in a downward motion on both sides, and this gets all the hair at once. I use a 3 blade razor. I would advise to get like 3 to 5 blade razor. 2 blades razors don't do it. They just give you cuts and bumps and scars and all those nasty stuff. So just get a 3 to 5 blade razor for anywhere you want to shave, or better yet, you can wax. So this is just me rinsing off my skin, and we're heading straight out of the shower to body care. So after I'm done tying my rope and heading out of the shower, the first thing we're gonna do is take care of my braids. Right now I have kinky twists on, and I like to take care of my braids because I like my braids to last a very long time. I'm not a fan of really sitting for extreme hours making hair, and I sat for a long time to make this hair. So I'm not about to take it out anytime soon. So this is just me using conditioned water to spray. Kinky is almost like natural hair. It tends to tangle a lot. So I'm just spraying, to detangle it and keep it fresh, so it doesn't have any sort of funky smell because the conditioner I use has a very, very nice smell. So once I'm done, I'm just gonna pin it up with my claw clip and head straight into my skincare. Once my hair is out of the way, I go in with my face wash. I like to wash my face first, which you should before getting any other thing done. So I'm going in my face wash. I like to wash my face for a duration of at least 2 to 3 minutes. I don't know about you guys, but I like to take my time, go around. And I like to do it twice. Sometimes I use a bar soap, sometimes I use just my face wash. It depends on how I feel that day. So today I just decided to use a bar soap because I was gonna go in with my face scrub. So I didn't want to, do too much, especially to my face, which is very, very sensitive. So I'm just gonna wash that up and then head in with my St. Ives face and body scrub. I use this a bit because a little goes a long way, and I mean it's the face. My face doesn't really need too much. Your face doesn't need too much, guys. The bare minimum is enough because the skin on your face is so sensitive that doing a lot could just damage. And this is me checking out if I actually saw a spot or anything unusual on my face, which I like to do when I'm doing my skincare. And once we're done with that, I'll just take a clean towel and dry my face out. Guys, the towel I use for my face and my hoo-ha is completely different from the towel I use for my body. And that should be the case for you too. So going into cleaning my ears, I have a total of 5 piercings plus my lobes counted, and I like to clean them daily, guys. Especially now I have a new piercing because you guys can see I'm trying to observe if there's any, funny secretions because piercing is something you want to observe because the thing can sneak up on you guys. One night your piercing looks fine, the next night you're seeing a fat huge bump all right, and it's not something you want. So this is just me going around all my piercings, with the cotton bud, cleaning my ear, cleaning the back of my ears, around my piercings. If your piercings are healed, you could actually take them out and clean the hole itself. But if they're not, please do leave them in. Do not tamper with fresh piercings. The results will not be nice, guys. So yeah, this is the result of me cleaning my ear. And mind you, I do clean my ear daily. tell you that it's very important to clean your ear. So next, I'm going to my toner. This is, I think, a Zaron toner. I don't know what toner it was. I don't really remember, but I'll leave it on the screen for you guys. And yeah, I put this in a bottle, because the other toner wasn't in a bottle. It was kind of like for cotton pads, and I ran out of cotton pads, so I just put it in a bottle so I could be applying it like a serum. And then I'm going in with my second toner, which is my Dr. Rachel niacinamide toner. I don't do this on all days. This particular day I wasn't really going anywhere because this is a lot of acid on the skin. And if you're doing this, you would have to put a huge or large amount of sunscreen on your skin, which you have to reapply every 2 hours. And knowing myself, I think I would forget to reapply every 2 hours. So I usually do this when I know I'm not going to go anywhere. Also, guys, a quick disclaimer: anything you apply on your face, apply on your neck, because you can't have a face looking bomb and a neck looking dark. It just does not add up. So next, I'm going in with moisturizer. Gosh, you guys know what I'm talking about. Moisturizer, and I'm using the Nivea moisturizer. Also, you can use any cream body lotion that is mild, guys. Mild body lotion, scent, Ives, Dove, those really mild ones. Don't use any cream that has an active ingredient, for the body on your face. It could burn your face and you might not like the results. So yeah, I'm just going in, massaging that into my neck and my face, everywhere, all over my skin. And next, we're heading into body care. So I'm using my scent Ives. I think should be the orchid scent. Yeah, this has a very clean smell because the whole routine today is to smell very clean. You're not really smelling that much of coconut or rose or vanilla. You just smell very clean, like freshly washed clothes or utensils. You know how they smell, like fresh air. You smell like fresh air. That's exactly the scent this routine will give you. So going into my feet, I like to moisturize my feet a lot, and I'm going in my feet cream, which has menthol and peppermint, which is a great softener of feet. I do this every day, morning and night. During the day, I wear my sandal, socks, anything I'm supposed to wear, but during the night, I like to apply Vaseline, mix it in, and then wear very thick fuzzy socks, to lock the whole moisture in. And trust me, guys, if you're consistent with this, in the next 2 weeks, you should see changes, especially if you have cracks on your feet or your feet is not smooth. Trust me, your feet will be soft as baby's feet, guys. So the next place that is highly underrated is your hands, guys. Your hands do a lot for you, and they tend to look very rough and weird if you don't take care of them. So I'm going in with my Indian hemp hand lotion, and I make sure to really moisturize my hand, get in between everywhere, my nails up until my wrists. So yeah, I like to massage this really well, deeply massage my fingers, and it feels really good to do this. You guys should try, especially if you're kind of person that doesn't like to take care of your fingers. Pay attention to them. You don't want wrangly fingers when you're getting older. So yeah, we're done with body care, and it's time to move on to our underarms. So I'm using my roll-ons. This has a very clean scent, so I think this has cucumber scent, and cucumber smells really clean. It has a very mild scent. And then I'm going in with my deodorant. This is Lifeguard. I think this is the key thing that makes me to smell fresh every day and gives me that clean scent. This has a very cooling scent. I don't know how to explain it, guys. And then moving on to my body scents for the day. This has a very sweet smell, but it's very mild. It's like, when you pass and people are like, something just passed, but can you guys get that clean, cool scent? This is exactly what this body scents give you. And I like to top it up with my Give. This is a more, prominent scent, so I just apply it little my neck, my wrists, at the back of my knees, all the perfume spots. And then the last but not the least, I go in with my sunscreen. I like to apply this after I'm done with everything, because then the products have really absorbed into the skin. You don't want to apply all these products at once immediately, because it's just all mixed together and you don't give each product time to really do what it's supposed to do for your skin. So I take intervals in between, and yeah, I'm just massaging that into my face. And the last thing for the day is our lips. Let's not forget our lips, guys. So I'm going in with my Dr. Rachel lip balm in the cucumber scent. Like I said, we're going for a clean scent today. And I make sure to really apply. You can over apply if you want to. there's no end to taking care of our lips. And we are done. We've come to the end of this shower plus hygiene routine. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give it like, thumbs up, comment, and make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.